Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to add a pin to your Roblox account. Adding a pin to your Roblox is really very easy process. Just follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, open Roblox and make sure to sign into your Roblox account. Once done, click on the settings and click on settings. Once you are in your Roblox settings page, here select parental controls. Under parental controls, you will get parent pin. So all you have to need to set pin, just enable parent pin. And now create a 4-digit pin. Confirm the pin here and click on add. And this is how we can successfully set pin to our Roblox account. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.